Hey guys, how's it going? Wayde Nakasone, WaydeNakasone.com, your Hawaii mortgage advisor, coming to you with the second part of our series, top home buyer mistakes, and I want to pick up from where we left off. So number 4, not allowing your lender to pull your credit. So unless you have something that you're afraid of, and maybe, my advice is if you have something that you may be afraid of, it's more important that we pull your credit, because now we need to know what challenges we need to overcome. Maybe we need to fix something. So not pulling your credit is a bad idea. What if there's something that's erroneous on there, something in error? We need to fix it. We should address it, and hopefully that will limit the amount of time and challenges we have later on. Number 5, rather, for this one, emptying your savings. We don't want to use everything. We want to save some money, for your nest egg, for emergency purposes, for your retirement. We don't want to blow through everything when we're buying a home, because things come up. So, thinking about goals long term, huge piece right there, which leads into number 6, which is underestimating cost of home ownership. Having a home, purchasing new things that get worn out, appliances, renovating kitchens, redoing a roof, repainting, whatnot, all have costs. And I don't want to scare you and say that you can't afford a home, but we want to make sure we can, have you have a life and still afford a mortgage. So we don't want to burden you with too much debt, right? Hopefully you can still save for retirement, maybe put away some money for kids' college, right? Be able to purchase a new car every few years when you need to, right? So we don't want to have you eating ramen every night. So underestimating costs of home ownership, we want to make sure you have a life, you can do some travel, entertain, whatnot, and still survive. We don't want to shadow you with too much debt. The last thing I want to go over is basically choosing the right lender. There's so many things to consider, and it's, to me, working with the right team, the right realtor who is listening to your needs, the right mortgage lender who is taking into account your long-term goals, who actually cares about you, is critical. There's so many mistakes that can be made, and an online calculator is not going to help you to overcome those things. Let's make sure you're on a good path, because the last thing I would want for you, is to lose the home that you love so much, and straddle your, hurt your family and whatnot, making bad decisions, making irrational decisions. So again, not trying to scare you, but just putting you in a good situation for now, for future, and setting yourself up, right? So owning the piece of the rock in Hawaii, where you can pass on to your kids, your grandkids, and leaving your legacy behind. All huge pieces in making a good purchase, and later on using that to parlay into maybe other property, investment property and whatnot, because we know that purchasing property in Hawaii is a great idea, and it's a way to have your legacy last way beyond our lives, and having that go on to other family members. So again, top mistakes made by home buyers. Let's help you avoid those. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, like, subscribe, share, and as always, make it a great day.